Tuesday, November 15th. I'm buying some Tesla 200 puts at 776. This is on the 15-minute chart here. Been watching it all day. Had the first move of the day, trying to grind up a little bit. It took out the first bar high, took out the pre-market highs, and then was just pausing all day. And it really couldn't make a secondary move to the upside, and it broke down a little bit. So on this breakdown, I'm buying the puts here near the blue line. I expect price to take out the stops that are that first bar low. At that point, we'll see if we can pick up a little momentum to start getting to the halfway point of yesterday, which can then move towards the lows of yesterday. You can see some stops down here. If we can just get, once we get that break below there, I think you could set up a no-risk trade and then kind of see if we work towards the halfway point of yesterday to start working towards those lows. In the bigger picture, it's kind of a inside day failure looking bar at the moment where it went up. It's just been in a downtrend overall. This is just a grind up. It really is not as strong as a lot of the other stocks. And now that the market might be pausing, this stock looks like it's vulnerable to kind of work its way lower. And on the weekly chart, we're just kind of inside last week. We try to bounce a little bit from these levels. We've tried to work up a few times, but really going nowhere. So the trend is still down overall, even though we're slightly green on the week. But again, I'm seeing this as a potential inside day failure to the upside, given the the price action that kind of started up but then couldn't make its secondary move of the day up. So at this point, the high probability is to take out the first bar low here and then kind of see if it picks up a little momentum to the downside. Again, coming back down into these levels here, kind of broadening to the upside and then maybe broadening a little lower, making lower lows down here at some point. So obviously following through at the moment, which is good. We'll watch it take out this first bar. That's where the first stops are. Second stops seem to be down around here. So that should allow the options to go up nicely. You can see right now, bought it at 776 and we're up to 850. So we're almost a point higher, which, you can set up a no risk trade at this point, scale out, any moment here. So we'll see what happens as price, hopefully continues lower here to take out those lows and then build a little momentum to the downside this afternoon.